Okay, the shop is a pretty big mess right now. I'm going to work on cleaning that up. So I apologize for the mess. But right now, I just been, this is actually a pretty new drill. As you can see, the battery is completely dead. It's kind of frustrating too because these batteries are really expensive. Can't really afford a new drill, and these are really expensive. And I've also got another battery here, which comes with the light. This one's dead as well. Okay, and I've seen online, Jesus Christ, I've seen online that you can sort of revive these batteries. So this is completely useless, as you can see. So what we're going to try and do is do this little trick that I've seen on YouTube to see if this actually works. And let's try this. Let's see. This charger's plugged in. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is charging. It says this is charging, so that's good. It seemed like the defective light was on for a second, and that was weird because it said fully charged for a moment. Let's try this other battery. Oh, and the same thing that says fully charged. Let's see if it'll. Okay, well, it's obviously not fully charged. Not sure if that light is actually on, or it's a defective battery, or if it's just kind of like being illuminated. Let's try again. Let's see. Okay, here. So I'm going to try the trick now, and the trick is to unplug and plug the charger back in really quick. So see if we can get this thing to charge up. So let's try that. No. Hasn't worked yet. Still says fully charged. Okay, I'm going to try this other trick. Okay, well, this battery here, I don't know what's going on with this. It's fully charged, but it's not. Let's try this other one. Okay, this one. So this is charging. So let's see. Let's charge this one up. See what happens with that. See if we can get any power out of this battery. And then this one here, what I'm going to do, see if I could jump start this one with my DC power supply somehow. Okay, so I'll stop the video here, and we'll pick it up from where we left off, and we'll see what we can get. Okay, so here's my little DC power supply, and I'm just trying to jolt this battery here. This is another trick on YouTube, just by kind of jolting the battery. Hopefully we'll be able to get started on the charger. We'll see about that. This has been on for about 2 minutes. We'll leave it on for another 5 minutes. We'll try putting it in the charger. We'll see what happens. Alright, now here's the battery that I just had on the power supply. And I'm going to put it right in the charger. We're going to see if it starts charging. There you go. Actually, I'm surprised it worked. Okay, so this is now charging. Okay. That's kind of cool. So, well, this is supposed to be an hour charge. So I'm going to leave this for an hour, and we'll put it in my drill, see if it works. Alright, now his battery says fully charged. This is the one that wouldn't work at all, that was completely dead, and you plug it in and it wouldn't even start. So let's see how this works. With my drill, just checking this one still works. That one seems good. Okay. I have a feeling this is gonna work pretty good. I feel it's kind of hot. There we go. Huh. Beautiful. Well, it works. So, just to recap, I'm really happy about that. Just to recap, just took my little DC. I suppose if you don't have one of these, what you could do is maybe connect it up to a car battery or something. I'm not sure. I mean, basically any DC power source, or if you have a second battery. What I've seen people do. What I see people do on YouTube is to just jump between one battery to another just to kind of get it started. I guess what happens is that if the battery charge is low enough, I guess the charger doesn't want to recognize it, or maybe that's the way they make their money. I don't know. But anyways, that's a cool trick. And yeah, I hope that helps with your drill batteries. Bye for now.